Look at this, beautiful. Show me the love. Do you have the Bali love? All the massage girls here. Hello. The massage spa here. Do we have the Bali love? Let's look inside. And here's the Kilo kitchen. Very, very few tourists, Western tourists inside here. Nice in the back there. And there's the staff. We have the Bali love. Woo, the Bali love from the crown. Yes. Can I have a look? Yeah. Just give you a look around. We have BLT corner stop. Probably long 25 centimetre pizza start from 28k. This is a new place, this. Nice little seating area inside, some tourists. Good late afternoon, early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just gone past 5 p.m. I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a street walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Drupadi. So Jalan Drupadi is a side street off a very popular tourist street of the street of Jalan Drupadi, which is home to quite a few hotel accommodation options and quite a bit of nightlife on that street. Red Carpet, Afar, Mel Verde. There's quite a few nice restaurants also on the street. You have Seminyak Village Mall at the end of that street. In tonight's video, I'm going to be heading along the side street of Jalan Drupadi. As I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in all of the hotel accommodation options. I'm not sure whether there's too many hotel accommodation options, but I think there's some villas and things, quite a few villas and things in this area. There is some hotel accommodation a little bit further along the street. You have the Harris Hotel in this area, which I have featured in a video. I shall have the link in the video description for you for that place. There's also quite a few restaurant places as well along the street, some very nice restaurants actually, massage and spa, tourist goods shopping. So I'm just going to give you a general idea of what you can expect from the street of Jalan Drupadi here in the Seminyak area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and take a street stroll here in Seminyak. Okay, so here's the start point for today's video, right in front of the camera now. This is the street of Jalan Drupadi, a very popular tourist street here in Seminyak. Lots of nightlife, restaurants on that street there. This is the street we're going to be heading down today, Jalan Drupadi. A tattoo studio and diamond ring eco design here. Very unique looking shop actually, this. Some nice little things here, funky dogs, some balloons as well, some more dogs there, some skulls also. Wow, very nice looking unique items inside. These cases here, interesting. Let's continue on down the street now. So we have God Gold Tattoo Bali just in the back here. Hello. Woo, the massage girls at the front here. Gemstones, beads, rings, a mini mart convenience store here. Just from a mini mart convenience store, we have La Calita Barroom Casino. Have a look inside here. So seating areas inside. Wow, very, very nice actually. Just unique seating areas. Nice in the back there. And there's the staff. Wonderful staff here. Let's continue on down the street. So we'll just give you a look back across the street there. So there's Mallet Elements. There's a mini mart convenience store. We've just come from the massage girls. Flash Ink tattoo studio across the street there. There's quite a few Western tourists in the Flash Ink tattoo studio. Hello. I thought he was waving at the camera, he was waving me for a ride. We have Rose Bar and Kitchen here. It's like a new place this. Deal on the cocktails there. Rose Bar bar and kitchen. See if we can have a look inside. Nice little seating area inside. Is it okay, guys? Can I come in with the camera? Okay. It's okay? Yeah. Wow. This looks very nice. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Swimming pool there. Very unique on the back wall. Beautiful is that? Wow. Nice seating areas around the side as well. Beautiful. Okay, just coming out of Rose Bar and Kitchen. That's an interesting place. Beautiful swimming pool there. Have a little market here. Drupadi Art Market, this is called. A few shops and things in here selling all of your typical tourist goods, all of the sports goods, handbags. Just a collection of just regular shops here. Just next door to Drupadi Art Market we have BLT Corner. Stop. Probably the most delicious sandwich in Seminyak, it says there. Open 24 hours. Oh la la. BLT Corner here. Just take you and show you the sandwiches because they do have them on the picture here. There we go. Breakfast Club Seminyak. Oh, we have a new place across there as well. Authentic Thai tea. Having Nicho K pizza, long pizza, 25 centimeters. Oxtail and Rice Republic here. Nice little unique place. Nicho K pizza, long 25 centimeter pizza, start from 28k. Oh, it's just like a slice in a box. Just in the back there. How are you, buddy? You good? Wow. These are different. Yeah, not seen before. It's just in a long box like that. Seating area, we want to have it here, and then we're going to head across here. We have some kind of accommodation. And the Authentic Thai tea, I think that's a new place. There's something in the back here. Yoga and relaxation, it says. Shanti Wellness. See if we can get in through here. See some kind of little, oh, it's like a fish pond. Wow, nice. So I've just come in, I've just actually spoke to the staff. This is actually a villa, and you can also have yoga here. So there's the gardens, some villas in the back there. One of the villas here. It's occupied by guests. So I'm not quite sure what the villa's called, however the staff did tell me it's a villa. We have an Authentic Thai tea place here. This is a new place, this. Nice little seating area inside, some tourists. Seasonal menu, wow. Nice. And just keep walking down the street. Some tourist goods shops here on the opposite side of the street. Have some on this side as well. Some t-shirts, happy wife, happy life. Some hats, caps, things of that nature. There's some lighters here, if you're interested in the lighters with the different motifs on. Nice. Lots of the sports t-shirts, handbags and things in there. We have Janita Spa here. No girls at the front, so maybe it's closed at the moment. Lang, I'm not sure what that is, whether that's a property or what. We have a little tour booking service there. Nobody at that. We have Mr. Ink Tattoo Studio here. So here's Mr. Ink Tattoo Studio. How are you, brother? You good? Just in the back there, Tattoo Lounge, Mr. Ink. Have a little convenience store, mini mart here. We got Sinus, it says there. Whatever that is. Circle K convenience store across the street. We have a massage and spa across there. I'll go across there in a moment. Some nice little home decor goods here. Tree of Life. Some very nice stuff actually in here. Nice decoration for the home. Here we have Joy Jewelry Bali. Joy Jewelry. Necklaces, bracelets, very funky, unique designs those. Nice. Smile on the other side as well. Oh, we have one with a smiley face on there. Interesting. Love. Nice. And just from Joy Jewelry, we're going to head across the street. We have a massage spa here. Bali Seminyak, this one is called. Hello, how are you? Do you have the Bali love? Yee! All the massage girls here. Hello! And we have one more here. Woo! Bali Seminyak. Bye! So we have Lena's massage and beauty across the street here as well. Let's see if we can... Hello? No, I'm making the video. Lena's hair and beauty salon, another massage spa. Looks like a double one here. Hello, how are you? She's just behind the window, doesn't want to come out into the camera. Another one here. Eee, Bali love, good, thank you, and you? Lena's body massage. I'm from England, but I live Bali. Mahalin 1 villa for rent. Anyone wants to inquire about a villa in this area? Maybe it's through there. Not sure. It looks as though it is through there. An spa here. And a massage spa. Hello, good afternoon, ladies. How are you? We have the massage spa here. Do we have the Bali love? This one has the Bali love. Yeah. So here's the spa here. Here's some of the massage treatments here available. Yeah, for YouTube, just for you. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah. Bye. So some shops are actually closed here now, and we're just walking past. We have Boomy Hair Studio here. It's also closed, this one as well. A little authorised money changer there. Not too sure to change it, that one. Not sure what this is. Yellow Brick Road. However, whatever it is, it's closed. Oh, there's some artwork in there. Let's see. Oh, we have a nice looking place here. We'll cut across the street. Wow. Ziburu. Hello, is this Ziburu? Is this Ziburu? Can I have a look? Yeah? Just give you a look around. Wow, unique pig here. Here's the name. Ziburu, yeah? I want to say it correctly. Some nice seating here at the front. Some beautiful, nice, unique seating in here. Wow, look at these for chairs. Very, very nice. There's a bar counter area. Some seating here. An artificial grass area here. Another beautiful seating area here in the back as well. Wow. Nice. Hello, how are you? Very, very nice. Nice. So just going on from Ziburu now, we're going to just walk a little bit further down here now, and then we're going to end the video today on this section of street, just maybe down to the corner. A few tourist goods shops on both sides of the street here. Tourist here just shopping. Have Limona Leather and Tailor here. Again, it appears to be closed, that one. A little tourist goods shop here. Some funky looking doorway entrances here. Hello, how are you, brother? And then here we have Zoya Bali Spa. It's a very popular spa, this one. I've actually had a massage here myself. Here's Zoya. Hello, how are you? Is this Zoya Spa, yeah? Yeah? Oh. Show me the love. All the nice massage ladies here. How are you? I remember. We're just continuing on down the street now. So we have Villa Drupadi across the street here. Not sure where that is, whether it's maybe in the back here somewhere. There's a look back at Zoya. A few little businesses here, and then we're just going to go down to the corner here. We'll just walk a little bit further. We have Terrace Spa here. Room something. Not sure whether that's down that little side street there. How are you, brother? You good? Little kitchen. Wow. Look at this, nice. Can I have a look inside? Here's the Kilo kitchen. Very, very nice looking place this. There's seating as well in there. We won't go inside and disturb the customers, but looks very, very beautiful. Just from Kilo kitchen, so breakfast, lunch, happy hours as well there. We'll just continue walking down the street. I'm just going to walk to this corner to the, I think it's like a Cocoa convenience store or something. Escher Villas here. Just in the back there. A lot of businesses closed. Not sure whether I'm filming at the wrong time of day or what, but never mind. You can see there's a bit of activity. A tourist goods shop here. And this is where we're going to end today's video, just here now at the Cocoa Express. Cocoa Express there. We have Crayfish Bar here. A few tourists, Western tourists inside here. A nice pool table there. Nice. Crown Spa here as well. Hello Crown Spa, how are you? Do we have the Bali love? Woo, the Bali love from the Crown Spa massage ladies. It's all there at Crown Spa. So there's a Cocoa Express, and that's where we'll finish today. Okay, so that concludes today's video. My street stroll here in Seminyak along a section of the street of Jalan Drupadi. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, there's a few villa accommodation options in this area. The one I actually walked in, I didn't realise when I first walked in that it was actually a collection of villas there. It said yoga from outside on the sign. They do yoga there, however there is villas available there as well. I'm actually quite sure of the name, the staff didn't seem too informative inside of there. But you've also got a nice collection of restaurants as well on the street here, lots of tourist goods shopping. You have massage and spa as well. Zoya Massage and Spa, very good spa that I have visited that place myself quite a few times when I'm around in the Seminyak area. All in all, it's just a really great side street off the main, very popular tourist street of the street of Jalan Drupadi. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and take the time out to come and visit the street of Jalan Drupadi, and I shall say bye for now.